Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for your online store. Adding Afterpay to your Shopify setup in 2025. If you're running an e-commerce business, you know that offering flexible payment options can skyrocket your sales. Afterpay lets customers buy now and pay later in 4 interest-free installments, which is a game changer for boosting conversions. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First off, what's Afterpay? It's a popular buy now pay later service that appeals to millennials and Gen Z shoppers. By integrating it with Shopify, you'll make shopping more accessible and increase customer satisfaction. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: an active Shopify store, an Afterpay merchant account, and the latest Shopify updates installed. If you don't have an Afterpay account yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's straightforward and usually quick. Alright, let's get into the steps. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner, then click on Payments. Here, you'll see a list of available payment providers. Scroll down or search for Afterpay in the Alternative Payment Methods section. Click on Add Payment Method and select Afterpay from the options. You'll need to enter your Afterpay API keys, which you can find in your Afterpay dashboard. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid any errors. Next, configure the settings. Choose whether Afterpay should be available for all products or just specific ones, and set any limits based on your store's policies. Don't forget to review the eligibility criteria, like minimum and maximum order values. Once everything looks good, save your changes and head back to your store's front end to test it out. Add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and see if Afterpay appears as an option. If it doesn't, check for common issues like incorrect API keys or regional restrictions. Afterpay is available in select countries, so ensure your store is set to the right location. And there you have it. You've successfully added Afterpay to your Shopify store. This simple addition could lead to higher conversion rates and happier customers. If you run into any hiccups, Shopify's support or Afterpay's resources are great places to turn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more e-commerce tips. What's your favorite payment gateway? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.